is Sarah Peterson. I'm from Martinez, California. I'm studying AVS production and dairy science. And today we're here in Carmen, Idaho at the Nancy M. Cummings Research Center for beef calving class.
Hi, my name is Diana Lewis. I'm from Gaston, Oregon, and I'm a junior here at U of I, and I'm studying AVS with the business option as well as agribusiness. So something that I didn't realize from just what I saw online before coming to U of I is that the hands-on opportunities were truly getting to actually do it, like getting to work. It's not just, oh yeah, you're out there on the facility watching your instructor do it. No, they make you do it. They get there and you have to do it. And I think that's really cool, and I didn't expect that. So.
Hi, I'm Hannah Belleville. I am a junior studying AVS business. I'm originally from Meridian, Idaho. I chose the University of Idaho because it felt home to me. Also, I do love all the hands-on classes that the university provides, and it allowed me to get a good education. So here is a calf that is cold in the weather, and we're taking him in to get warm under the heat lamp. We're trying to get mom to follow. Oh no, we lost calf. Calf down, calf down.
I chose the University of Idaho because I really like the idea of it being kind of a smaller university while also still being a big school with those big school opportunities, but you still get those smaller class sizes and better connections with your faculty and whatnot.